But all I know, there's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Yeah, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I heard the Watergate. I don't know who played the Watergate, but I heard that Watergate. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, Deepwater's a County Ellen. Got down.
18-9, got you coming in over here and played the Watergate. Trinitron9, your watchmaker, small hammer, wouldn't that, brother?
Oh, okay, Watchmaker, you did it. That was you. Okay, no doubt about it, Watchmaker, no doubt about it, man. I just wanted to walk on this water and ride the wave again. It's another beautiful day in Coney Island, and you know I walk on the water and ride the wave. Good morning, Watchmaker, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, right there, right now. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Hey, good morning, T9. Good morning, T9. While you're walking on water and riding the waves. Good morning, T9. Riding the waves. Hey, Trinitron9, you too loud in Birmingham, Alabama. 837 told you that.
837, you made me leave Watchmaker in the mall. 837 Alabama, you made me leave Watchmaker in the mall. Hey, 837 Alabama, you made me leave Watchmaker in the mall. 837 Watchmaker, Trinitron9 got down. Okay, 837 Birmingham, you take care. Have a good day, no doubt about it. Have a real good day and a good weekend coming up. 837 Watchmaker and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water just got down.
Hi, up there walking on the water. You sounding good in Birmingham?
See you later, see you later, see you later. Take care, 837 Watchmaker. I got the video gate rolling, the video gate don't lie. I got this video gate rolling and the video gate don't lie. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. The man walking on the water just got down.
Hello, man walking on the water. Hello, man walking on the water. Bible thumper out here. Oh, Bible thumper out here. Break, break, break.
Hey, Bible thumper, you cleaned up my radio. Hey, Bible thumper, you cleaned up my radio in Coney Island, man. You sounded real good. Bible thumper, Trinitron9, walking on the water, just got down.
Oh, there, Trinitron9, Bible thumper out here around the hog yard here. And we just go wave that in there.
And I'm waving it right back, Bible thumper. Keep it the good word, man. Keep it the good word. You cleaning out radios. Take care, Bible thumper, 837 Watchmaker, and whoever else is out there. Yes, I am the man walking on the water, riding the waves, and the man that don't ghost talk, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, got down?
18-9, I can't compete with this. Ain't got no ghosts up right now. 837, Alabama, standing by. 26 in the work truck in New Jersey, bro.
I heard somebody say, Watchmaker, you started to say you couldn't compete, Dev. But they took you on my radio there. But no doubt about it, it's all good. It's all good. Let me get on the quiet side. I hear somebody out of New Jersey. Let me get on the quiet side. I hear somebody out of New Jersey want to get their name called. Let me go back to the quiet side for a little bit, but I'll be back. The man walking on the water, riding the wave of the Coney Island. Got down?
Hi, there, 612, Dayton, Ohio. You have a good day up around Ohio. 837 down in Alabama. We standing by. Yo, you just come in here. I thought somebody turned my damn radio off when you keyed up. Thought the fire went out. Got so quiet. Thank you, sir.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I walk on this water 2 a.m. all by myself. I walk on this water 2 a.m. all by myself in these deep waters of Coney Island. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Three of them ghosts up there in the waters. How about a Trinitron9 48 to come to you?
heard you. I heard you say something about the ghosts. I was just slow keying because I think I heard 48. I'm trying to get the numbers right and the 20 right. But I heard you say about the ghosts in the waters, no doubt about it. Trinitron9 was just slow keying there. I heard somebody else trying to get it back to me. I think it was 48 or something like that, trying to get it back to Trinitron9. Hey, 48, straighten me out there. Give me the numbers and the name, the 20. Straighten me out, 48. Trinitron9. Break.
Breaker. Trinitron9. Don't be scared of that ghost up there now. Birmingham, Alabama. Yeah, you tell that boy to get up on that right there. Tell him to get up on that right there. We'll have to put a little bit more in there, a little bit more coming out of Georgia right there.
You said nobody had to hold my hand. I was just slow keying, but it got rough on you. But you said nobody got to hold my hand. I appreciate it, man. I hope I got your numbers right. 48, man. There was a lot of big keys that came in there. But I was just slow keying, trying to get everything you were saying there, but it got rough. I believe it was 48, man. You said nobody got to hold my hand. Yeah, I'm walking on this water, riding these waves all by myself. I'll do it 2 a.m. in the morning. I'll walk in this water 2 a.m. in the morning. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Take care, 48. I hope I got your number right. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Got down?
We got us a beautiful day here in Georgia, and I'm going to sit back here and take advantage of it. We'll catch you later on, 612. It's definitely a pleasure. Later, maybe I'm going to sleep for a moment. I'm watching no doubt. Just a little bit of Mother Nature. We'll catch you a little bit later. 612. Ain't no doubt but easy. Trying to make it easy on your receiver right there, but I gotta go. I'll see you. 612. I'm gone.
Buy easy money while you cleaning out radios. Buy easy money while you cleaning out radios. Buy easy money. The man walking on the water just got down.
Take it easy. Hey, you trying to go and see us on the triangle? Parade to one way. Hey, I wasn't even wanted to. I'm back on the middle here. Another triangle getting down.
848, I got it that time around. 848, here I come again, walking on the water. 848, I got it that time around. 48, Trinitron9, walking on the water. Good morning, 48. Let everybody know I did wave a hand. 848, look at me walk on that water and ride these waves of the Coney Island. 848, look at me walk on that water and ride these waves of the Coney Island. 48, Trinitron9, break. And I appreciate the 48. I heard that other big brother bumper down also, man. Said I had it going on. I was just waiting on 48, though. I was just waiting on 48, man. He's further out than all of y'all, man. So I was giving him a chance to burn there. 48's further away from all of y'all than me. No doubt about it. 848, man, you're doing your thing in these deep waters of Coney Island. Keep up the good work. 848 and more 48. Trinitron9, walking on the water, riding the wave. 848, that's what I do. I walk on the water, I ride the wave, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. 848, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
That rip off. Hey, Trinitron, waiting on 48 too. Bye-bye.
And I heard you rip off. You doing your thing. You cleaning up my radio. Hey, rip off, you doing your thing and you're cleaning up my radio. Hey, rip off, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
Still blessed, my friend. Miss passing through. And enjoy your day, no doubt. Take care, Trinitron. BK, your homie. I see you. Bye-bye.
Got it all, my brother. You said it all. I got it all. No doubt about it there. I'm going to take a pause for the cause and see what's really going on. Trinitron9, the man walking on the water, riding the waves, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down?
I don't want to say you. How about there ain't no fear, no ghost? How about up there you ain't no fear, no ghost? Oh, 333 and the Smokies. I'm waving Trinitron9.
Hey, 333 Smokies, you stepped in and cleaned up my radio. 833 and the Smokies, you stepped in and cleaned up my radio. Rip off, he was the one cleaning out radios, but you just came in there and cleaned up my radio. 833, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I don't do no ghost talking. I just walk on the water and ride these waves of the Coney Island. Good morning, 333. You're Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down?
Get out of that. But you are sounding good down here in the Smoky Mountains there, Trinitron9, walking the dog and kicking the cat as usual. On top of the morning to you, and hope you're having a fantastic week there. In 333 in the backwoods, in a man cave, back here where we say grace, we say amen. Back here in the Smoky Mountains of eastern Tennessee, I'm going to be back quiet because there's 2 men in there, Trinitron9.
Got it all, 333. It might be a whole lot in there, but you coming over the top, you holding your own. Hey, 333, it might be a whole lot of them in there, but you coming over the top and you holding your own. I heard even 48 out there right in between the keys when you got off that key. I heard 48 out there. Take care, 333 and all the good time gang. Your Trinitron9, the man walking on the water, the man riding the waves. Just got down.
Well, I didn't know I had it on low power there, Trinitron9. I didn't know I had that low power. Help you out. We'll catch you later, my friend. 333 in the Smokies. Back quiet.
Back quiet, back quiet, back quiet. You said it all, I got it all. Y'all take care. I'm going to take a pause for the cause. Trinitron9, Coney Allen going to take a pause for the cause. Hey, 48, I appreciate you coming back in there. I heard you in there again, 48. No doubt about it. 48, your Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Allen. Got down? I know who it is, and I know you was all by yourself. I know who it is, and I know you was all you was all by yourself. Take care till we do it again. Rip off. Bye, 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 bye.
837 around Alabama. We standing by. Your number's up. It's popping. Hey, you ain't got to take no number. You ain't got to take no number. You just got to flip that switch. 333 told you that. There's some bills to go pay, so I need to get off this radio. No doubt about that. Bump it down on you later, my friend. Always a pleasure. Call on me sometime, Kamala. You need to call me. You got my number, man. Get a pen, Kamala. Or not call Windjam or text him. Get my number. You got my number there, babe? No, he done turned his beams or something. He done did something. He got my ears. You have a good one up there in New York. 333, back with me.
Hey, 333, he said Roger right on, and he'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey, 333, he said Roger right on, and he'll talk to you tomorrow at 12:30. Bye, 333, Trinitron9, Coney Allen, the man walking on the water, said bye, bye, bye.
Get Roger, I heard you that time. Alright. You have a good one, 333 in the Smoky. I'm back quiet.
And that's a Roger 333. That's a Roger 333. Take care. No doubt about it. I'm just walking on the water, riding the waves. A nice sunny day out here in Coney Island. I'm walking on the water, riding the waves, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
You just turn the channel easy.
Hey, watchmaker, I'm waving right back. Watchmaker, I'm waving right back. I'm walking on the water. I'm taking names and numbers. Hey, watchmaker, I'm waving it right back. I'm walking on the water, riding the wave. I'm taking names and numbers, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Watchmaker, break, break, break.
Hey, that's what I heard. Trinitron9, watchmaker, right on back.
All by yourself, watchmaker, the video gate don't lie. You all by yourself right there, the video gate don't lie. Hey, watchmaker, I'm taking names and numbers. Hey, watchmaker, I'm just taking names and numbers. That's all I'm going to do from now on. I'm taking names and numbers. Take care, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water, riding the waves, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts. Just got down.
Trinitron9 that time, boy. Woo!
by watchmaker, here I come again. Hey watchmaker, here I come again, right there, right now. Hey watchmaker, here I come again, right there, right now. Taking names and numbers, here I come again. Watchmaker, bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trinitron9, my friend, a little good way. Hey, Trinitron9, don't you go nowhere. I'm swinging my beans south for watchmaker.
All right, okay.
Give me another there, Trinitron9.
Ghostbusters, but whatever you call it, you come up in there like a freight train, making all kind of noise. Bible thumper out here getting down.
Hey Bible Thumper, you cleaned up my radio. Somebody else has started talking to me, but you just cleaned up my radio right there. The video gate don't lie. But I'm just taking names and numbers. As I pass by, you just write your name and number in this book I'm going to have in my hand. I ain't going to even say nothing to you. As I pass by and walk on this water, you just write down your name and number. The man walking on the water, riding the waves of the Coney Island. Just got down. I'm taking names and numbers, man. I want to know who I'm talking to. I'm just going to ride by, walk on the water. I'm going to reach out with that pad and you just write your name and number. You just write your name and number on the pad and I'm going to keep on going. I ain't going to say nothing. I'm just going to keep on riding the wave and walking on the water. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9, you taking numbers and names. I'm tagging and bagging them. I was wondering what the watchmaker was doing.
Well, I don't know what he's doing now because you got my radio. I don't know what the watchmaker's up to right now. He might be making another watch there because you all on my radio. He might be busy making a watch right now. He might be busy making a watch right now. He'll get back to me later. Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, right. I'll get you later.
And I heard the Watergate watchmaker. I'm just taking names and numbers, man. I'm just taking names and numbers. I got to walk on this water. I got to keep my eyes on the prize. So when I walk by, I'm just going to have a pad in my hand and you just write your name and number on it. I got to keep my eyes on the prize. I ain't got no time to copy the mail, read the mail. I'm just taking names and numbers while I pass by. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Got down.
9, you take care. 612, 333. 27, you got everything out to the chief. All right, you got the notes of the good ones. Just downstairs on the back. T9, 612, everyone. Watchmaker, pull back.
Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Watchmaker just pulled back. Watchmaker just pulled back, and I'm still walking on this water. The man that ain't afraid of no ghost, the man that don't ghost talk. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down. Yeah, good morning right back, man. Good morning right back. You sounding good in Coney Island. Good morning right back. You sounding good in Coney Island. Trinitron9. Just got down.
Trinitron9, I didn't hear you say number 10, man. Hey, Trinitron, I didn't hear you say number 10. Trinitron9, look at me go. Hey,
number 10, I'm looking at you go. Hey, number 10, I'm looking at you go while I ride this wave and walk on the water. Hey, number 10, you sounding real good around Coney Island. You keep it the good work, man. You keep it the good work. Keep doing your thing. Number 10, number 10, number 10. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.